Assalamu alaikum. This is Nargis Akhtar, teacher of class 4. My dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. Okay, my dear students, your second term in exam is over. How was your exam? Hope you did well. Today I have to take first class of third term of science class. Now let's go to our today's class. Today we will discuss a very special topic which we face in our daily life. This always cause trouble and carry danger for us. Suppose while coming to school, auto rickshaw pushes you and therefore your hand get injured. Besides, many of you hear in electronic media that children were drowned. Not only this, you may hear also garments factory also get fire. Do you know what is called it? That happens suddenly and causes harm. Yes, this is called accidents. So, after getting these accidents, now what is needed first in this situation? We need first aid. Besides this, in the picture you can see, first picture, one person is walking on the road. While walking on the road, if he is not careful, what will happen? He may get accidents. That means look before you leave and avoid accidents. From right side pictures also, you may stop. That means while walking, if you see any danger, stop. Then you may get drop, and after walking, you may get roll also. So like this way, accidents may happen. And middle picture about first aid. From all of this, can you guess? Today we are going to start a new topic, new chapter. What is the chapter and what is the topic name? Yes, chapter 11, life safety and first aid. Today we have to learn about life safety and first aid. Okay, my dear students, first of all, you have to take out your CW copy book. On your CW copy, you have to write CW number 1, chapter 11, life safety and first aid. So what is your CW? Reading practice page number 79, 80 and book activity page number 79. Okay, your writing is over. Now all of you open your book for page number 79. Now from this topic or from this chapter, first what we have learned today? Accidents in our life, types of accidents, how to prevent accidents, drowning in water and snake bite. This topic will be discussed today. First of all, what is accidents? Students, listen to me carefully. Anything that happens by chance and causes damage and injury. Again, I am telling, anything or something that happened by chance and causes damage or injury. Accidents happen suddenly. It causes injury and damage our wealth. We often hear about or see accidents. We might have accidents ourselves now and then. Okay, on the picture you can see how accidents may occur. First one, while cooking. Second one, while playing with sharp things. Third one, while playing with cards. Another one, while playing on the road. So like this way, we may get accidents. Now, type of accidents. So, accidents can happen anywhere in and around at home, school, road, or in the playground. So, where accidents may happen? At home, school, road, or in the playground. Now, type of accidents. Common type of accidents that we fall are cars. Now, usually we may get and choking. So, what is choking? Fires, burns, electric shock, poisoning. So, what is choking? Stop breathing because something is blocking our throat. Again, I am telling the students, listen to me carefully. Choking means stop breathing because something is blocking our throat. It may be fish bone. Okay, now fires. Usually uh, you may get here our garments factory get fire. Then burns is also very common in our country. While cooking, we may get burns. Then electric shock, then poisoning. These all are the common type of accidents. These accidents may happen where? At home, school, road, or in the playground. We have also another types of accidents. What are they? Traffic accidents, bites with snakes, that means snake bites, and drowning in water. These accidents may happen outside our home or school. Now, in the picture, you can see different kinds of accidents. Choking, picture about choking, picture about electric shock, and also fire accidents. Poisoning and drowning. These all are common type of accidents that we may get anytime. Now, how to prevent accidents? Most of accidents can be preventable. Question is here, what is preventable? Preventable means keep something from happening or occurring. Or prevent something or protect something from happening or occurring. Below are examples of how to prevent accidents of drowning, snake bite, and fire. Today we have to learn the prevention of drowning in water and snake bites. Drowning in water. We all enjoying swimming and bathing in a pond, a canal, or a river. Yes, we like it to swim in a pond or canal or river. We also hear of drowning in many in our country every year. So that's why we need to learn how to prevent drowning. There are some ways how to prevent drowning. Number one, we can prevent ourselves from drowning by learning how to swim. That means we should learn how to swim. Number two, we should not swim along without help of older and should not dive underwater. That means we should not swim alone. While swimming, we should help of older or others and should not dive underwater. Next on, we also should keep an eye on others while we play in water. So, this all about how to prevent in drowning. Now we have to learn the prevention from snake bites. It is also very common type of accidents in our country, especially in village area. Village people may get this type of accidents. That means people in the villages are often bitten by snakes in our country. Snakes live not only in bushes and forests but also around our houses. That means snakes may live in bushes or forest and also around our houses. So we can avoid snakes by taking the following steps. There are 5 steps to prevent snake bites. Number one, never try to handle a snake. My dear students, remember it? Never try to handle a snake. Now, 2. Avoid places where snakes may live, like tall grasses or bushes, rocky areas, and holes in the ground. We all know these are the areas snakes may live. Where? Tall grasses, bushes, rocky areas, and hole in the ground. So, we should avoid these places. That means if it is not necessary, we should not go to these types of places. Number 3, use a long stick or long wood if we must go into tall grass or bush. Number 4, shine a flashlight on your path when walking outside at night. And number 5, keep your yard tidy to reduce places where snakes hide. That means your yard, your surrounding areas of your houses should be tidy, that means should be neat and clean to reduce places where snakes hide. Okay, let's go to our book activities. Before writing book activities, again have to give summary what we have learned from this topic. Today we have learned what is accidents. That means and type of accidents. There are some common type accidents where accidents may happen at home, school, road, or in the playground. There are some common type of accidents. What are they? Car, choking, fire, burns, electric shock, and poisoning. And we also have different kinds of accidents that may happen outside our home or school. What are they? Traffic accidents, bites with a snake, that means snake bites, and drowning in water. We also have learned how to prevent accidents. That means prevention in drowning in water, prevention of snake bites. Okay, now my dear students, open your book for page number 79 for writing your book activity. Okay, now so book activity. dangerous situation or accidents. That means you have to write examples of accidents. Fire accidents, now drowning in water, and after that, snake bites. Okay, so you have to fill up this box in your book, activity page number 79. Done. Okay, now my dear students, go for your homework. So your write your homework, reading practice page number 79, 80, and learn book activity page number 79. This is your homework. My dear students, you have to read the chapter properly. Otherwise, you couldn't able to give the answer of FB and short question answer. Reading practice is very important for you. You have to read your textbook properly, then you can give the answer of all of the question, especially about short question, fill in the blanks and matching also. In your second term end exam, I have seen some of you were not able to give the answer of AB. Do you know why? Because you didn't read the chapter properly. You didn't read your textbook properly. Okay, so my dear students, you have to read your chapter reading practice especially properly, because third term is very important for you. After third term, you will go to your class 5. Okay, my dear students, thank you all. Up to this one, today our class is over. All of you stay safe and pray for me, and thank you everybody. Inshallah, very soon we'll meet together. And my dear students, if you have any problem regarding your recorded classes, you in the Zoom class you have to ask the question in your to your particular subject teacher. That's why we teachers have arranged Zoom class. Okay, my dear students, thank you all. Khoda Hafiz.